Hello, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today you will learn some basic German phrases for your travels. Like maybe you want to order some food in a restaurant, or maybe you ask for directions, or you want to just meet somebody and greet somebody. Okay, so let's get started. So like I said, we will have some basic German phrases for travelers, and so let's see our first group. So we will start with some greetings and maybe what we should say to sound a little bit more polite. Okay? The informal way to say hello in German is hallo. No? Hallo. No? When it's a little bit more formal, no? You would say in the morning guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. In the afternoon you would say guten Tag. Guten Tag. And in the evening, no, like good evening, you say guten Abend. No, guten Abend. So this some ways to say hello, no, in German. When you want to say goodbye, the quite useful common way is auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Okay, it means like see you again. Okay. And then now it's really important if you add those two little words, no, to your sentences, you sound much nicer and it will help a lot. Okay, so when you want to say thank you in German, you should say danke. No, danke. And in German, when you say please, or in the end also you're welcome, no, there's just one word for both cases. It's bitte. No, bitte. So every time remember to say danke and bitte, and everything sounds much better. And if you want to get some attention, no, you just say Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. It's a little bit long word, but no, let's do it a little bit slower. Entschuldigung. 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 Okay? So that are some greetings and a nice way to sound a little bit more polite. Okay, let's see the next group. So now we want to introduce ourselves. Okay, in German I could say Ich heiße Markus. Okay, ich heiße, it's more like my name is or I'm called, no? And then you put your name. In my case, ich heiße Markus. Ich komme aus Deutschland. No? You put the country. Ich komme aus Deutschland. When you're, for example, from England, you would say Ich komme aus England. Okay. And then maybe, no, people think because you start in German that you speak perfect German, but it's sometimes nice to just remember them, that you speak just only a little German. And then you could say Ich spreche nur ein bisschen Deutsch. Ich spreche nur ein bisschen Deutsch. Okay, so let's get to our next point. So asking for directions. If you want to know where something is, you just ask, wo ist, zum Beispiel, wo ist der Supermarkt? Wo ist das Hotel? Okay, wo ist, and then you just add what you're looking for. And then another nice question could be, wie komme ich zum Supermarkt? When there's something feminine, it would be, wie komme ich zur Schule? Zur Schule, no? So that's a preposition combined with an article. But don't overthink it, just remember, wie komme ich zu? Okay, zum or zur. And then sometimes we get lost, and so it's nice that people know that you are lost. And then you could say, ich habe mich verlaufen. Ich habe mich verlaufen, no? And then you just ask the people, no, können Sie mir helfen? Können Sie mir helfen? And then hopefully they will help you, but normally people help. Okay, so let's go to number 4. It's ordering food and drinks. If you're in a restaurant, you could say ich hätte gern. No, it's I would like. No, ich hätte gern. And then you just add what you need. Okay, ich hätte gern die Speisekarte. Bitte, no? And always remember, if you add bitte, everything sounds much nicer. So, die Speisekarte, bitte. And then you have the menu and you order your drinks and food, okay? The good thing is in the menu you will see the words. And so you could say, for example, ich hätte gern ein Wasser bitte. Ein Wasser bitte, okay? And then maybe you say, ich hätte gern ein Bier bitte. Ich hätte gern ein Bier bitte. And in the end, when you need to pay, you just say, die Rechnung bitte. No? Die Rechnung bitte. No? Even though you can show it, but no? When you want to say it in German, just say, die Rechnung bitte. Okay, let's get to the next one. So now we have shopping and prices. If you want to know how much does something cost, you would say, wie viel kostet das? Wie viel kostet das? Okay? And then sometimes maybe if you want to buy some clothing, you know, you could say, haben Sie das in einer anderen Größe? Haben Sie das in einer anderen Größe? Okay? And then for me a really important sentence is, ich schaue nur. Danke. Ich schaue nur. Danke. No? Because sometimes we just want to look around and they ask you something and then you just say, ich schaue nur danke, and then they leave you alone and you can walk around. And our last point would be emergencies and help. So if you have really emergency, you could shout out Hilfe, Hilfe, so help. No? Or if you need a doctor, no? You say, ich brauche einen Arzt. Ich brauche einen Arzt. And when you are hurt, no, it's maybe sometimes important that people know that you are hurt, you say, ich habe mich verletzt. Ich habe mich verletzt. And if you need the police, no, and there are people around you, you just say, rufen Sie die Polizei. Rufen Sie die Polizei. No? And then somebody will call the police. Yeah, this is a little bit the most basic German phrases for your travels. So you can now maybe order food in a restaurant or in a cafe, or you ask for directions, or maybe to meet people, and so it's a nice first contact if you practice a little bit your German. And even it's a good way to practice your German during your travel. So yeah, that's all, and please let me know in the comments what's your favorite phrase, or maybe you have some additional important phrases we should add. And don't forget to like my video and to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you want to dive even deeper into learning German, just check out my free German course for beginners on YouTube. You will find the link over here, and also you will find a link to my website where you can get even more stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and happy travels.